In business, it's not always the best product that wins, it's the clearest story. And the clearest story isn't told in fancy words. It's told in how your people behave, how they show up, and what customers feel in every moment they interact with your people and your products. The risk is if your team doesn't live the value propositions in ways customers instantly feel, then eventually a competitor will step in. And when that competitor gets there first with a story that's simple, emotional, and backed by their behavior, they don't just win the deal, they shape how your market thinks. They become the standard that everyone else has to chase, including you. Meanwhile, each of your team may be telling a different version of your story in their pitches, in their behavior with customers, even in how they talk to each other inside the company. That gap is where you lose ground. That's where FOMO, the fear of missing out, becomes real. The fear of isn't just of missing a sale, but a fear of getting left behind in how customers see your category. You have to win by everyone in the company living your value propositions.